quite upset, but then I was like, हाँ ठीक है, YouTube चैनल नहीं चलेगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, मेरा चैनल डाउन हो जाएगा, लोग बोलेंगे कि हाँ रिया संभाल नहीं पाई अपना YouTube करियर.
What's happening, people? Welcome back to the 46th episode of the Mini Adult Troubles. In today's podcast, I have with me a mini adult just like me, and I'm sure she also has a lot of troubles. Riya Gugui, welcome to the show. Thanks for making this happen. First of all, had been waiting for this for a long time.
Thank you. Thank you for calling me.
Yeah.
I mean, even I wanted to do this podcast क्योंकि मैंने देखे हैं कुछ episodes, मतलब थोड़ा stop किया था.
Right. That's a
तो हाँ
very
मुझे भी आना था. And 46 episodes, damn. What?
yeah.
इतना हो गया, इतने वीडियोस तो मेरे चैनल में है शायद अभी YouTube पे. हो
Yeah,
गए एक साल
dude.
में. For how long have you been doing this?
So podcasting has been like since July 2019, but I picked up the pace in lockdown only. So lockdown me, I think I've done like 25-30 episodes since April. Yeah,
Nice.
काफी सारे more or less I've done with every creator possible. But right.
That's good. Like बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट हो गए हैं, काफी
I know.
सारे. देख
I
हर
know.
हर
Yeah.
हफ्ते एक नया मेल आता है. I only say
Yeah.
yes to a few क्योंकि कितने लोगों को हाँ बोलूं. तो या मतलब your podcast strike my interest, so that's why I really wanted to do this. और
Right.
2 महीना डिले किया, but better late than never.
नहीं, it's worth it for sure. And I think with podcasting it's true. I mean, I think रणवीर ने जब से पॉडकास्ट शुरू किया है उसके बाद से बहुत पॉडकास्ट शुरू हो गए हैं. And to my credit, I actually started before Ranveer, but after Ranveer,
When did he start?
he started like around 1.5 years ago as well. August, September-ish में start किया था. उसके पहले वो motivational 10 मिनट की videos करता था. Then he sort of formalized into the podcasting space.
Yeah, I feel like मैंने भी देखा है यूट्यूबर्स अभी वीडियोस बनाना छोड़ रहे हैं, मतलब बाहर एटलीस्ट वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में वीडियोस बनाना छोड़ रहे हैं और पॉडकास्ट में फुली ट्रांजिशन कर रहे हैं या फिर स्ट्रीमिंग में. तो आई फील लाइक वो इंडिया में भी वेव आएगा, अभी तो फिर भी टाइम है. चलो
अभी आई एम श्योर बहुत टाइम है. People hardly listen to the podcast. Only either they're interested in the guest or they're interested in the topic. Nobody's interested in me as a guest, as a host. तो यही दो reason होते हैं कि लोग podcast सुनते हैं.
I feel like to start a podcast, as you have to मतलब if you want people to be interested in you, like you have to have some sort of credibility as a public image. मतलब एक public image होना चाहिए as a public person. If you're
true,
हाँ तो वही issue रहता है. If people get to know through your other stuff that you do on social media, then maybe they'll be interested. So yeah, that's like I got interested because of the
roster.
What roster?
पुरानी profiles, people who have done the podcast.
No, not that. हाँ रोस्टर से मेरे को बस एक ही चीज याद आती है, वो YouTube रोस्टर. No, like we have in a way worked right together.
Yeah.
So that's how I got interested. But अगर मेरे को ऐसे randomly आते तुम, तो I don't think I would have considered.
Right, but you have to give me credit. My mail was good. My cold email was good. And तब तो हमने project पे शुरू भी नहीं किया था.
I don't remember reading your cold email. I think I read your DM or your cold email? Cold
email. I mailed you like at 1 a.m. in the night and you sort of replied within 15 minutes. You checked it out. You replied with a very nice message and I was like, सही है. ये तो आसान था.
फिर 2 महीने लगा दिए.
Yeah.
I feel so bad.
नहीं, it's okay.
But अच्छा email था. मेरे को जितना याद है Insta DMs पे बात हुई थी.
वो फिर later stage पे आ गई थी. Right. So I know you since Vedant told me first time about you. I think you were at like 30k subs then back in August, July of 2020, and he was like, bro, great creator, she'll definitely boom and all that. And uske baad I saw you on his podcast as well, right? And tab se I think I'm trying to get you on board. But what is this growth? What is this crazy growth? And Vedant का तो अलग ही था. मतलब Vedant told me कि you are gonna grow past him. I think he was at 90k, you were at 30k. उसने मुझे बोला था 2 महीने में देखना she will cross me, and that's actually true. You did cross him. So what do you think is the secret behind your growth?
I feel like they say it's not important to be. I mean, I heard Jack Ma say this, that it's not important to be the best, but it's important to be the first. So
Okay.
basically, I think in this genre, I switched from, I was doing commentary, and वो niche audience बन रही थी मेरी तब, लेकिन slow growth हो रही थी. Then I started uploading more frequently, and I started uploading vlogs, and I started getting more candid with people. So that वो candidness, I don't think कोई और तब कर रहा था, कोई और लड़की. अभी तो आ गए काफी, तनीशो, साक्षी शिवदासनी, अगर उनके ब्लॉग्स देखोगे, it's similar to mine. तो हाँ, I don't think I make better videos than them or anything कि मतलब मेरी इतनी fast growth हुई है, but I feel like I was first in the game definitely, so that's how I started growing. अभी फिलहाल थोड़ी slow down हो गई है growth because I've not been regular, to be very honest. I was in Assam, वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा internet issues थे मेरे, बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुए मेरे को, लेकिन आई एम बैक इन हैदराबाद, यहाँ पे फास्ट इंटरनेट है, एंड
I faced a
आई
few of them
होप वो
myself.
जो पुरानी ग्रोथ है. हाँ,
I have faced
What?
the issues with you together on a few occasions.
या या और सबसे मैक्सिमम करियर में मैंने ब्रांड उसी टाइम पे किए जब वो इंटरनेट इश्यूज चल रहे थे मेरे.
Right.
And then I came, मतलब अभी I'm back in Hyderabad, so hopefully I can get regular again and वो growth वापस आ जाए. You never know with YouTube, waves में आती है growth, so you never know, but hopefully आ जाए, fingers crossed. चलो.
Does it
That was my
bother
answer.
you? Does it bother you a lot?
It did. मेरे को पता है कब डर लगता था, when I was growing really fast, कि यार will I be able to maintain it? But जब धीरे slow down हो गया ना, I kind of accepted it. And तब मेरे को इतना डर नहीं लगा कि यार ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, वापस it comes and goes. It's I feel like once you know the secret sauce of what is going to work on your channel, तुम वापस ला सकते हो growth, अगर चली भी गई वो growth तो मेरे हिसाब से.
Got it. So I actually want to talk about your personality here a bit. I personally feel your content is little different, काफी different, and mostly it revolves around your personality a lot, right? And I'm not sure if I'm right in saying this, but I feel you're an introvert who has all type of crazy experiments and things to try out in real life, and you do try that out, and you show that in your videos. Is that correct?
Yeah. I don't know about introvert. I think as I say this, I think people confuse being confident with being being shy with being an introvert.
Right.
if you're shy, you're an introvert, but ऐसा नहीं होता. बहुत extroverts ऐसे भी होते हैं जो shy होते हैं. मैंने जितना देखा है. तो yeah, I am an introvert, and like when I was like 3 months ago, I kind of had this idea कि okay, vlogs चल रहे हैं channel पे. These weird ideas are working, but do I want to continue this? Do I want to try something else? So I did try a few other things. Sadly didn't work out. So now I know that vlogs work on my channel, my weird ideas work on my channel. So I'm planning on sticking to that for a while, because I did not care about the growth aspect that much. But right now I feel like मैं देखती हूँ ना लोगों को 9 to 5 जॉब करते हुए, नहीं करना मेरे को.
दिल पे पत्थर
बहुत बेटर है. तो मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि यार YouTube तो हमेशा नहीं चलने वाला, मेरे को जॉब करनी है. बट मैंने देख लिया. I feel like YouTube has a lot of potential, I'm very lucky. बहुत लोगों को मिलता नहीं है ये, तो वही है कि I am going to stick to making weird things. Sometimes it gets too weird for people. I do see losing subscribers sometimes. I remember I posted a picture. It was a painting. It was a very disturbing painting.
Yeah.
But I'm into painting, so मेरे को इतना नहीं लगता वो सब. मेरे को normal लगता है, like naked ladies, naked men. I paint. So, but for general Indian audience, they think it's ashleel. So I posted a picture like that, and people like I lost a lot of followers. So तब मेरे को समझ में आया कि okay, हाँ.
On Instagram.
Yeah, on Instagram. तब मेरे को समझ में आया कि okay, I need to, मतलब जब मैं 30K पे थी और ऐसे weird ideas, मतलब weird video ideas इम्प्लीमेंट करती थी तब इतना इशू नहीं रहता था, पीपल कम लोग थे, स्मॉल मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पीपल लाइक दैट. बट नाउ दैट आई हैव अ लार्जर ऑडियंस, आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट a lot of people are not accepting of that. So या तो मैं इग्नोर कर सकती हूँ उन लोगों को और फॉलोअर्स लूज कर सकती हूँ, या तो थोड़ा सा क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट वाज द वर्ड, गेटकीपिंग नहीं, गेटकीपिंग नहीं,
मैं समझ गया.
फिल्टर.
Filter, yeah,
फिल्टर.
yeah.
या तो फिल्टर कर, आई डोंट लाइक फिल्टरिंग. आई फील लाइक इफ आई filter then I am
I think that's a
like
USP.
not making a
You
change.
lose that.
Yeah, not making, I think that's how I kind of my channel has been losing its charm. That is, it took me 3 months to realize that if I started filtering myself after Jan, Feb, March, April, I filtered myself a lot. And that like slowed down my growth a lot. So now I know कि मेरा USP क्या है. So that was that slow period was much required for me to understand कि क्या चल, लोगों को क्यों पसंद हूँ मैं, you know.
Yeah. I actually relate to the unfollowing wala part when you shared that picture and all that, because recently around a month ago I met Munawar Faruqi, and I like that guy. I don't have any issues with whatever his beliefs are and all that. And I shared a photo with him, just a photo with him. I had 8,500 followers, and after posting that photo, within 2 hours, I lost 200 followers, and I got at least 50 hate comments on my DMs and my, that post photo. And I was like, dude, this is some crazy shit. But again, very relatable to, मतलब उतना same नहीं है, but you get the idea. So that time I had a decision to make. या तो मैं photo delete कर देता, and I would have saved. But why I care about such followers who don't even relate to my don't even have different opinions, don't respect other opinions, so not worth it, I feel. And again, it's I can't filter myself. अब मैं ऐसा ही हूँ तो हूँ भाई, नहीं पसंद है तो unfollow कर लो. I think that's the decision one has to take.
Yeah, makes sense. Even I was about to collab with a Pakistani YouTuber. Not Irfan Janejo, but there is a group of Pakistani kids as well, मतलब ऐसे अपने age के. If you have any idea, I don't know if you do.
I do. To be honest.
But वही अपने age के ऐसे बच्चे vlogging वगैरह करते हैं, तो I like this guy's content, and I, we were talking and मतलब decide किया था कि करेंगे. And then my brother told me to not कि मत कर, क्योंकि might cause an issue.
Yeah.
So even the other guy, he was also a bit icky कि हाँ नहीं करते हैं. Even though we are on good terms, we felt like still not ready. So yeah, it was sad. I feel like only Irfan Janejo can get away with collabs, not everyone else.
Yeah, I mean, it's actually a little sad, to be honest, but you have to look at the larger picture sometimes, right?
Exactly. I mean, I can go on and be liberal, बोलेंगे कि हाँ हम सब humans ही हैं. But if you read the history, if you're well read, you know that on how many levels it can be wrong. It can hurt people's sentiment.
Yeah.
I
agree. Right. I think the 3 words that come into my mind when I see your content, it's weird, bold, and random in a good way. Weird, bold, and random are 3 words, that content comes in. But I also feel that people don't give you enough credit for, your IQ कह लो या brain कह लो. Because the style of content you do on YouTube, I think it takes a lot of thinking behind, एक video बनाने के पहले. I feel that there's a lot that goes in terms of effort, planning, इसमें ये part में ये जाएगा and all that. And people just, I think वहाँ पे there are 2 things they don't appreciate: the analytical skills से कुछ भी कह लो that you put in, number 1, and number 2, I think they feel that you just got lucky and all that. What is your opinion on this?
I mean, you do need some amount of luck, not gonna lie, like 5% luck. Sure. It's very important. But apart from that, well, then you create your own luck. It's just like that. I don't commentary में I would say it requires a lot of brain power, because you need to be you need to put your point across while being politically correct. So yeah, commentary definitely. Vlogs, some of them were strategic. I used to combine my vlogs with the trending topics that were going around, and no one was doing that. Like Arnab Goswami के ऊपर बहुत vlogs बनाए मैंने,
I saw
which
that.
is usually people do commentary videos. I made vlogs, so I did that unknowingly. I did not know that that'll work. I just knew that I want people to watch my vlogs, but people are not going to watch my vlogs because they don't care who I am. So how are they going to watch it? I'll have to use someone's the thing that's popular right now. So that's how I kind of started it off. I didn't think that it's smart at that point. I just thought देखते हैं, try करके देखते हैं, वो चल गया. So it's hit or miss. मतलब YouTube पे तो hit or miss ही होता है हमेशा. So it worked out, and pretty fascinated and happy about that. And also people calling me like people not giving me credit, and calling me what did you say the question was?
Lucky,
dumb.
not smart.
Lucky, not smart. Not smart is a nice way of saying dumb. No, definitely not. I think even Dhinchak Puja is not dumb. They come off as dumb. They're not. A lot of people who are pulling these numbers, they're not dumb at all. Even if they're not smart, they're cunning. So yeah,
I get it.
I feel like a dumb person would not know what to do with overnight fame, and Dhinchak Puja kind of used that quite nicely.
Right. Yeah. I agree. Right. So your latest video, everybody wants to be famous wala, it seemed like a new style, and at the end of the video also you announced that you from now on you'll create videos that you are passionate about. So why the sudden change? Because of the views that were going down, or because you were filtering too much?
Exactly. Because I feel like I was very I was doing a lot of experiments, and I think it's okay, it's good to do experiments, but I was doing to a point कि I was sacrificing my the growth of my channel. So like 1 साल से मैं कर रही हूँ, and if you really want consistent growth on YouTube, you should stick to a niche at least for the first few years, and then maybe experiment when it gets boring for people. मेरा ऐसा था कि my audience was still building, and building audience के बीच में मैं experiments कर रही थी. So my audience was also getting confused कि ये क्या हो रहा है. एक दिन commentary video आ रहा है, एक दिन vlogs आ रहे हैं. Thank God consistent views आ रहे हैं, but still I felt like मतलब एक भी वीडियो थोड़ा खराब होता है तो एक ऑडियंस कैसे बैठ जाता है ना कि आजकल तो ये खराब वीडियोस बना रही है. तो वही है, that's why since I was experimenting a lot, I felt like okay, now I need to stop doing that. I need to just start. मेरे को एक realization है क्योंकि I enjoy vlogs the most, क्योंकि मैं commentary और vlogs में बहुत हमेशा से confused थी. So now after all these experiments, I've finally come to a realization that I like vlogs more than I like making commentary. And that's what I meant कि okay, from now on I'll be making vlogs. मैंने clearly नहीं बोला ये, थोड़ा vague answer दिया, but हाँ, that is what I meant basically. I'll make those weird vlogs that I initially made when I was growing really fast.
Got it. So yeah, this is an assumption that I'm making. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you are either of the two. Either you are very, very calm, and you know very well about yourself. Like I feel that you're very aware about your strengths, your weaknesses, what you need to do, and all that. You seem that like a person. Either this, or number two, there's this book by Mark Manson, Shuttle Out of Not Giving a Fuck. You are that you honestly don't care about people's opinion. If somebody is saying, "Yaar, Riya, you are killing it," you're like, "Thank you," but inside you're just okay with it. And if somebody is calling you, whatever, giving you hate, then also you're just subtle art of not giving a fuck. Which one of the two do you think is it?
Have you read that book, Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck?
I have.
Even I have. उसी book से तो सीखा है नहीं, but no, I feel like बचपन से ही I have been this way कि I don't care what other people say or think. क्योंकि यार मैं my philosophy is if you don't gossip about people or talk shit about people, then you don't care if people talk shit about you. अगर तुम खुद gossip करते हो दूसरे लोगों के बारे में, फिर लोग तुम्हारे बारे में करते हैं, तो ऐसा insecure सा feel होता है.
Interesting.
तो मैं I avoid gossiping basically to have this I don't give a fuck attitude. One of the reasons why I kind of had a problem with commentary, यार बहुत criticize करना पड़ता है लोगों को, फिर मैं सोचती हूँ यार फिर लोगों को right मिल जाता है मेरे को criticize करने का.
Yeah.
तो एक चीज था. और second, I think I'm both, you know, I'm also, I'd like to think that I'm self-aware, but I avoid being self-aware sometimes. क्योंकि तुम जितना कभी-कभी ऐसा रहता है तुम ज्यादा ही self-aware हो जाते हो ना, तो बहुत depressing हो जाता है वो.
Okay.
तो कभी-कभी being ignorant is good to be happy. Because ये मैंने नोटिस किया है ignorant लोग बहुत happy रहते हैं, you know, जो लोग ज्यादा सोचते नहीं है ना बहुत happy रहते हैं. हाँ dumb भी रहते हैं but happy भी रहते हैं. So I choose happiness over being self-aware. So yeah, that and
makes sense.
Yeah.
Got it. I think
people,
I get that
point.
You're saying? I stopped reading news last year since May or June when this COVID situation was going very bad, and not just COVID but itna zyada negative news. It was really fucking up with my mind, right? I was not able to concentrate on other things. Until then, I knew everything that was going on in India. I was very, aware of the situations. Now to be honest, I don't know if there's a lockdown till 26th or 30th in my own city. And that has allowed me to do a lot more work, personal work, maybe selfish, but as you said, it's keeps you happy.
Yeah, good for your mental health sometimes. Yeah. I think you should look up kab khatam hone wala hai. Where do you live? Mumbai?
I lived in Delhi for the longest time. Abhi I just came back a month ago during lockdown with my family. Bhopal mein abhi, MP, Madhya Pradesh. COVID leke aaya hu Delhi se.
Yeah. Acha, you have COVID kya? What?
Yeah, don't worry, it will not spread, Abhi.
No, you don't look sick.
Yeah, because it's been like almost 14-15 days. I just have fatigue thoda sa. Subah thakaan rehti hai. Otherwise, I'm all good.
You're so hardworking, dude. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ लाइफ में? नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही.
This is gonna go as the first, मतलब starting में hook यही होगा. You're so hardworking, dude.
भाई कोविड के बीच में नहीं, मैं तो क्या बोलूं. You were definitely one of those kids in school जो होमवर्क भी करके आता था. अब बीमार होता भी था तब भी स्कूल जाता था. हाँ.
नहीं यार, I was just looking up to this conversation with you, so I was like, चलो कर लेते हैं.
Oh.
Yeah. Sweet. I'm all good. Right.
I mean, I think you're the first guy जो मेरी एज का है जिससे मैं बात कर रही हूँ पॉडकास्ट में. It's usually older guys, 24, really? 25, yeah. हाँ. Younger boy, हाँ, Okus था, yeah. Okus is the youngest one that I've talked to.
How old is Okus? How old is he?
He's 19. This year he turned 20, I think. Yeah.
Achha, I thought he's my age.
नहीं, एक साल छोटा है.
Got it. Having him on the podcast this Sunday as well.
Right. Nice. He's a good conversationalist.
Yeah. Right. So talking about fame, we were talking about fame a while ago. Having so many, people watch you, 100,000, 200,000, whatever. It's no joke, right? And 21-year-olds, right? I am 21, you are 21. I'm sure somewhere do you think like superiority complex comes in? At least at the beginning, you think that rapid growth aa gaya hai, hum super serious ho gaye hain towards others, overconfidence basically. Do you think that creeped in or creeps in? How do you deal with that?
Not anymore. In the beginning, a little bit, yes, because people started treating me a bit different, something that I never experienced in my whole life. कोई इतना भाव नहीं देता था मेरे को पहले. तो धीरे धीरे जब people just started getting more sweet.
Yeah, that's.
And why? I know why they're being nice, right? So yeah, now, so earlier I used to like talk a lot via chat. Now, since I have a lot of DMs in my chat box, I don't. I prefer not to.
Yeah, naturally.
Yeah. But sometimes I think, is that me being egotistical, क्योंकि but it's just that मेरे को मन नहीं करता बात करने के, इसलिए मैं नहीं करती, but एक I feel like different होता अगर मेरे पास इतने numbers नहीं होते. ये एक मैंने चीज नोटिस करी है. स्टार्टिंग में हाँ डेफिनेटली थोड़ा सा आ गया था कि ओके आई एम सम क्या बोलते, आई एम द शिट, सब मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. बट सून आफ्टर I knew deep down, I knew that this is all bullshit, but I was like, let me enjoy my time for a bit, let me enjoy my time for a bit. I mean, मेरे को खुद पे ऐसे भरोसा नहीं था कि I'll be able to maintain this. I think growing fast is easy, maintaining it is a lot more difficult.
Yeah.
And मेरे को खुद पे भरोसा नहीं था कि मैं maintain कर पाऊंगी, तो इसलिए तब मेरे दिमाग में था कि let me enjoy this for a while. And one of my friends told me that, you know, मतलब I went back to my hometown. I met a lot of people who जो पहले बात नहीं करते थे, जो स्कूल में मेरे साथ थे बट इतना बात नहीं करते थे और अभी बहुत बात करते हैं. So one of my close friends told me that, you know, right, they're talking to you just because you have a YouTube channel with 100k subs. And I was like, yeah, I know. I know. लेकिन मेरे को इतना क्या बोलते हैं अभी, I don't think I'm superior अभी तो फिलहाल, because in no way I'm superior. तो मेरा content मतलब मेरे को पता है मैं superior नहीं हूँ. बहुत I don't, starting में वही as I said वो आया था, but now I kind of I think I talked about this in my video as well कि वो आया था superiority complex थोड़ा सा, but slowly वो चला गया. I got used to everything and now I'm back to like normal again.
Got it. And do you think it's necessarily bad? I mean, for sure, life is very transactional. I do something for you, I expect something back in return. And when you're growing as a creator, 100,000, 20,000, people see that, okay, this Riya has a lot of leverage. Let's be friends with her. Oh, हमारे काम का भी आ जाएगी. I thought about this, but I don't think it's necessarily bad to be transactional in nature, because but I think it's wrong when you expect something in return पहले से ही. You have to give something first. पहले कुछ दो, bring some, add some value, then you expect something, right? And especially when that person has more leverage, तब तुम उससे पहले मांगोगे तो how will that work? वो कोई भाव ही नहीं देगा. To be very practical, you know. So
I agree. I mean, you know, मैं तो मतलब उससे भी ज्यादा I would say कि you come and take from me. I honestly don't care as long as you are an acquaintance. Like if you're a close friend, then I will probably expect something from you. I will make it kind of transactional कि हाँ ठीक है तू मेरे को time दे. लेकिन if it's an acquaintance, काफी लोगों ने collab किया मेरे साथ and I don't mind that कि हाँ I know why they're collabing with me. उनको भी पता है मुझे भी पता है, but I don't mind that. Like if I have something to give, I'm happy to give it to you. You're not like क्या बोलते हैं, और I'm not losing anything in this process, right? मैं कुछ मेरा लॉस नहीं हो रहा, तो हाँ ठीक है, क्या है, चलता है. But when it comes to closer relationships, that's when I would feel bad if they, you know, try to take something from me. You know, ऐसा कोई बचपन का दोस्त आ गया. So yeah.
Makes sense. That तो taking advantage वाली बात होगी. That's तो पक्का wrong. Right. What do you think is your weakness as a person? Any insecurity? Where are you looking to improve as a person, not as a creator, but as a person?
As a person, I feel like professionalism अभी भी काफी नहीं है मेरे में. I need to improve on that. In the sense, I still don't treat this like a job, but धीरे धीरे ये हो रहा है, which I hate. I am having a difficult time accepting it. That धीरे धीरे it's turning into a business. You know, you have to if you want to be successful at this thing, you have to
have the business mindset.
Yeah, have a business mindset. Exactly.
Yeah.
So I am having a difficult time accepting that. क्योंकि फिर ऐसा लगता है कि यार मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ कि मतलब now there's a different motive. It's not just because I like doing it. तो इसीलिए वो accept करने में मेरे को problem हो रहा है थोड़ा. So I would like to improve on that. Okay, no, I need to have a business mindset. And it's not having it's not wrong. as
For
long
sure.
as you're as
Mm.
long as you're being ethical,
Right.
is what I think.
I think here also manager role comes in. He takes care, or she takes care of, you know, a lot of your brand deals, business aspect of things. So वहाँ पे you have some space to treat the creative aspect. But at the end of the day, creators don't really talk about this a lot. But brand, money, business is important, right? मतलब अब creator
Yeah.
survive करने के लिए कुछ तो करेगा ना. Views से, as the old saying goes, views does not pay for bread and butter, right? So that aspect is always there. And I actually had this question related to money and finance. How are you handling that aspect of your life, the financial business aspect? With views comes brands, and with brands comes money, right? So how are you handling the sudden inflow of, you know, cash? How are you using that? Do you have business business plans set? What are your goals in that aspect?
Yeah, the money aspect, I think it has been helpful. I did spend on buying, like I did invest on a camera, and I got a phone after I started earning. उसके बाद से I think I've not been spending much because क्या करूँ मैं, मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं. I live with my parents and I don't go
Okay.
out that much. So इतना,
Yeah.
I think I'm mostly earning to show my parents that hey, this is legit. Like honestly, I am the most क्या बोलते हैं, least materialistic human being you'll ever meet. Like if you watch my latest reel, ऐसे पुरानी मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड की शर्ट पहनी है, वो भी यहाँ से निकल रहा है, कुछ स्टिकर वगैरह पता नहीं. और मेरे को लोग कंजूस भी बुलाते हैं वैसे यूट्यूब पे कि आई डोंट रिमेम्बर क्या था, बट कुछ तो काफी पुराना सा कुछ खरीद के रखा था मैंने, एंड समवन सेड कि इतने पैसे ये एटलीस्ट ये तो खरीद ले.
I get it.
No, so yeah, I don't have that mindset कि हाँ मतलब I want to be rich. I'm just earning right now so that बैंक अकाउंट में इतने पैसे रहे कि मतलब पेरेंट्स मेरे से बोल नहीं सके कि जॉब कर दे. क्योंकि जब when I was starting initially and I was growing and it was just initial stages of me earning money on YouTube. तब मेरे पेरेंट्स बहुत बोलते थे ठीक है आ रहे पैसे, बट इतना नहीं आ रहे कि you know कि मतलब तेरे को बोल सके कि तू कंटिन्यू कर.
अब बताओ.
बट अभी तो अभी आ रहे तो अभी चुप है तो ठीक है, मतलब
Yeah,
that's
I
the
get
only
it.
reason.
Yeah, I mean, I think we
I
as
don't
students.
mind donating all of my money actually, but रुको थोड़ा रहने दो, थोड़ा और जब आएंगे तब donate करेंगे.
हाँ मतलब
Are you
हम
saying?
college के हैं, like I just graduated 6 months ago. I'm sure you either just graduated as well or are
Yeah,
graduating
I
very, very
graduated
soon.
in 2020.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, 6 months ago. Yeah.
Same. COVID batch है हम, and उसके साथ एक
What
pressure
did you
आता है ना.
study?
I am an economics honors student, Delhi
DU?
University. Yeah, DU.
Hindu?
नहीं, Hindu नहीं. I did from College of Vocational Studies. It's in South Campus. Yeah. It's a good college.
नहीं, who's saying it's a bad college? अरे नहीं, अगर हिंदू में होता तो मेरा एक दोस्त था हिंदू में, he was also in economics, so ऐसे you know connection हो जाता.
Yeah. Small world for sure.
हाँ exactly. तो वैसा नहीं हुआ, sad.
मैं क्या बोल रहा था, हाँ. सो विद कॉलेज खत्म होता है, उसके दिमाग में ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है ना, बैक ऑफ द माइंड में, भाई कॉलेज खत्म हो रहा है, पैसा बनाना पड़ेगा. there's this pressure that comes in naturally कि either do a job or you know have a startup or do something.
Masters.
Correct. हाँ, exactly. Masters, which I feel personally is the best method to delay that decision making, because बस पता हो जाता है कि कुछ you I think right now I am facing the truth. मैं देख रहा हूँ भाई क्या करना है जिंदगी में. I'm exploring, right? I could have easily chosen a masters in you know economics from a good college or went abroad, कुछ भी random masters करने के लिए in a good course. But then 2 साल कर लो, उसके बाद जॉब कर लो, वो फिर फ्लो में चला जाता है. You don't even know if you know like doing it. So India में masters is the best method to just push that decision कि चलो 2 साल बाद देखेंगे.
बहुत सच बात. Yeah. I mean, you're doing great for your age. Are your parents happy with it? और वो भी बोलते हैं masters कर ले, job मतलब और अच्छी job कर ले, ऐसा कुछ?
I mean, right now they want me to stick to my job. They want me to do the job for sure. उसके बाद इंडियन एकदम इंडियन पेरेंट है. They want me to do a MBA, masters या ऐसा कुछ करो. But fortunately, I don't listen to them, and they don't really push me a lot.
Nice.
They're cool. They're cool.
Are you the youngest one in the family?
I am. I have a elder sister. She's like 28, 29. So
इसलिए they don't push you.
Exactly. She sort of helps me, she helps my parents कि हाँ करने दो उसको कर लेगा types. Same. That's a blessing.
I get it. Relatable.
You also have a elder sister?
Yeah. इसलिए तो मतलब even they only pushed me to do YouTube, I was doing it for fun.
Yeah.
I had so when I hit 1K subscribers in May I hit 1K. And I was on call with my brother. Hey, I hit 1K subscribers, the most I've ever hit. And I told him that मेरा year end goal है 5K. मेरा भाई बोलता है at least 100K रख. तो बोलता है हाँ 100K 2 साल लग जाता है लोगों को. एवरेज यूट्यूबर का 100K 2 साल लगते हैं. मेरा 2 year प्लान है 100K. फिर मेरा भाई बोलता है कि नहीं 100K रख. तो 100K वैसे प्लान नहीं था, 5K ही था. 100K हो गए. अच्छा, ओके.
Nice.
He was correct.
Fun. Gift him something now that you have hit 160, right? It's 160 हो गए.
160, हाँ. I hit 69K on Insta today. लेकिन I was scared to share
Congrats.
it. Thank you for 69K. Oh, thank you.
साला फिर unfollow कर देंगे.
हाँ वही exactly. 68.9 हो जाएंगे. तो नहीं share नहीं करती.
Right. So this is a personal question, selfish question. Always use this podcasting opportunity for a personal question of mine. How do I crack? मतलब usually you ask how does someone crack YouTube, but इस बार I use कर लेता हूँ. How do I crack YouTube? What is the secret? Secret तो चलो मैंने पूछ लिया था, but anything
podcast में?
Podcast नहीं. I do a lot of stuff. I make productivity related videos. To be honest, you scared me when I heard कि you said ना कि niche पकड़ लो and you have to use that niche to at the initial level, and मैं podcast डालूंगा, फिर blog डाल दूंगा, फिर productivity related videos डाल दूंगा. So I am all over the place basically. That's why I feel my channel is dead.
I feel like if you want to have fun on YouTube, that's all right. But if you genuinely want to grow, you have to have a growth mindset. Luckily मेरा तुक्के में लग गया क्योंकि I started commentary क्योंकि घर पे तुम व्लॉग नहीं कर सकते. भले ही वो अभी मैंने फिगर आउट कर लिया घर पे भी तुम एक जगह पे बैठ के कैसे व्लॉग कर सकते हो. बट
गौरव तनेजा को पूछो.
हाँ किसको? गौरव तनेजा. उसकी फैमिली है, ठीक है, उसके पास फिर भी कंटेंट है. लाइक मैं अकेले हूँ. वो हाँ बट सो मेरा तुक्का लग गया था स्टार्टिंग में कि लॉकडाउन था तो घर पे बैठ के क्या कंटेंट बना सकती हूँ. आई कैन मेक कमेंट्री भी दिमाग में नहीं था कि रेगुलरली बनाना है. टिकटॉक वर्सेस यूट्यूब वाला सीन हुआ था, मेरे को अपना ओपिनियन देना था, तभी मैंने बनाया. उसके बाद आई थिंक साइमन सेज एंड संजय भी नोटिस्ड दैट वीडियो. उन्होंने बोला यू शुड कंटिन्यू विद यूट्यूब. फिर वेदांत रस्ती आए, इन लोगों ने मेरे को बोलना स्टार्ट किया कि कंटिन्यू मेकिंग वीडियोस. तब आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग कंसिस्टेंट एंड अननोइंगली आई वाज doing the right thing.
Okay.
उससे पहले भी I have been making videos since 2012, but कभी मैंने YouTube पे grow होने के लिए नहीं बनाया. लेकिन now I've realized कि if you want to grow on YouTube, starting में वही niche पकड़ लो and make videos, searchable videos basically, जो लोग search करते हैं और जो जिस niche पे सबसे ज़्यादा trending topics है वो. Correct. And a lot of people cry about the fact that उनको वो बनाने नहीं, वो niche में मतलब फंस जाते हैं ना लोग एक बार बना लेते हैं तो second channel खोल लो और जिन the people who care they will watch your second channel. और वही है, you don't have to stick to one channel. So if you want to make vlogs and if you want to make experimental content, niche वाला channel रखो to gain an audience, to grow your audience, and second channel rakho to do the experimental stuff that you enjoy doing, is what right. I would say.
Right.
हाँ.
Interesting idea, but a lot of operational work will go behind executing this. But sure, agar someday I hit 50K or 100K, I'm gonna send you a gift.
हाँ, thank you. I hope then you do. चलो मैं ही शेयर कर लूंगी पॉडकास्ट में रोज. Free shout outs.
Successful. Mission accomplished. Right. Yeah, I ask this question to everybody at the end of the podcast. Do you like read books? Otherwise, it's not a legit question. Do you read books?
No, every podcaster read books is what I've noticed. हर कोई जो भी पॉडकास्ट करता है हर कोई रीड करता है.
नहीं मोस्टली लोग पढ़ते नहीं है तभी बोल देते हैं बुक मेरे तरह से.
मैं तो मुंह पे बोल देती हूँ आई डोंट रीड बुक्स. हाँ, पीछे सजा के रखा है वो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री की किताबें सजा के रखी है.
नहीं फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री तो नहीं. आई वाज अ
मेरा एक
कॉमर्स.
दोस्त है. हाँ कॉमर्स. मैं भी कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट थी. मेरा एक दोस्त है वही इकोनॉमिक्स वाला. या कितने आए थे परसेंटेज?
आई हैड 95.
फिर भी ड्यू में नहीं मिला नॉर्थ कैंपस. व्हाट द फक?
अरे सो आई चोज ना, मतलब if I wanted Hindu I would have gotten Hindu but in a different course, maybe BCom. मेरे को इकोनॉमिक्स ही लेना था एंड इकोनॉमिक्स का सबसे ज्यादा कट ऑफ जाता है एंड इकोनॉमिक्स का 95.
मेरे दोस्त को इतने आए थे 96.7 आए थे.
हाँ तो
उसको मिल गया हिंदू में. चलो हाँ पॉइंट्स का भी बहुत डिफर.
1.5 में कितना फर्क पड़ जाता है उसके. 1.5
मुझे नहीं पता.
अरे पूछो
मैं डम्बो, मेरे को 84 आए थे.
अरे नहीं 84
मेरे अकाउंट्स में मार्क्स गए थे. अकाउंट्स में मैंने क्या बोलते हैं जिस दिन अकाउंट्स का एग्जाम था मेरे को स्लीप पैरालिसिस हो गया था. आई वाज नॉट एबल टू अटेंड प्रॉपर्ली. फिर वही आई केम इन वेरी लेट और आई वाज नॉट इन द राइट मेंटल स्टेट. तब दे दिया मेरे को जस्ट पास. बाकी सब में 90 अबव. बस अकाउंट्स में मेरे को 40 आए थे 100 में से. जस्ट पास. So yeah, what was I saying? Reading books. I don't read books. I've read a few. I like self-help books. Subtle Art पढ़ा था मैंने because the title was intriguing.
Yeah.
And How to Win Friends and Influence People पढ़ा था because I felt like वो जरूरी है जानना.
जी.
And it has helped me मतलब a lot immensely.
Yeah, correct. Right, but a question.
Yeah. You were gonna ask.
Question is 3 books. At the end I asked 3 books, podcast, and life lessons. But you can answer 3 series, films, documentaries, and life lessons.
Life lessons like that I admire, that I follow.
No. That you have seen working for you.
I can say books maybe. How to Win Friends.
Go on.
How to Win Friends changed my life.
Okay.
Communication skills काफी better हो गए उसके बाद. And then I think everyone should read How to Win Friends and Influence People. For sure. Dale Carnegie. उसके बाद you've read it, right? Yeah,
lovely book.
Yeah. That's what I can tell because you're a good listener and you become a good listener after reading that book. And apart from that, series mein I think I don't think series से कुछ सीखने मिलता है. I mostly watch it for the entertainment value.
Lol.
But it's a difficult question. कभी तो इसलिए मैंने बोला ना मैं ignorant रहती हूँ, सोचती नहीं ज़्यादा ये सब. सोचती हूँ तो mind fuck होता है.
I get it.
No, but I had a few in mind. I'm not able to remember.
कोई नहीं. You can share life lessons then. You can take a minute. In the meanwhile, I can give a 30-second talk on how to win friends and influence people. It's
okay.
I think it's एक बार पढ़ने से कुछ नहीं होता है. एक बार पढ़ के हाँ अच्छा है से कुछ नहीं होता है. You actually have to note down and apply that.
Exactly.
वो करोगे तब you see the crazy effect.
Exactly. I don't like reading as much. तो I listen to audiobooks.
Okay.
So I listen to that. तो मैं क्या करती थी, मैं वॉक पे जाती थी एंड मैं सुनती थी पूरा और जो मुझे मतलब मेरे साथ स्टिक करता था मेरे दिमाग में, जो मुझे याद रहता था मैं वॉक लिखती थी. तो वो रह जाता है. तो
I get it. ऐसा होता है ना, बुक्स खत्म कर लो उसके बाद उस बुक्स की 2-3 लाइनें 2-3 चीजें जो हमेशा याद रहती हैं. That hits you.
It sticks with you. Yeah.
Right. Right,
And
life lessons. हाँ, complete what you're saying.
भाई I'm a 21-year-old. I have not experienced anything in life till now. क्या life lessons
Come
दूं मैं?
on,
तुम
कुछ,
बताओ.
I mean, you
Sometimes
can
even I feel
be
कि podcast
dramatic.
start करूँगी तो when I'm 50 I'll start a podcast.
Okay.
Because यार अभी क्या कुछ है ही नहीं, मैंने कुछ सीखा ही नहीं है, अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ.
चलो.
सीखना बहुत बाकी है.
अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ. That's a life lesson. अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ. I have not yet learned.
Yeah.
That's चलो ठीक है. Let me reframe it to 3 things that have worked for you.
3 things that have worked for me. Not taking people too seriously. Twitter पे आज मैंने बहुत अपने opinions दिए. I don't know if you've seen it.
I'll check them out. I'll check it out.
नहीं, मैंने अपने opinions दिए काफी. मतलब I never share my opinions on the internet. ठीक है. I feel like जितना कम share करोगे उतना दुश्मन कम बनाओगे या फिर उतना लोगों को कम piss off करोगे. But मन किया आज मैंने share किया, and a lot of people had other opinions, different opinions. So I think an average Twitter user will get offended by those replies, or but I know that I don't have to give them my time of the day. Make up the time इसलिए करना उनके साथ. So I think don't take people too seriously. I feel like focus on building habits more than having goals. क्योंकि मैंने notice किया है growing up मेरे goals हमेशा change होते रहते हैं. लेकिन फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा अभी एक गोल है कि यूट्यूब पे ग्रो करना है, तो ये गोल रखूंगी, लेकिन अगर मैं मतलब आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट एवरी सिंगल डे. कुछ लोग बस गोल रखते हैं
Systems,
और
processes.
सोचते रहते हैं. हाँ, सो ओके, इवन इफ माय गोल चेंजेस, देन आल्सो जो बीच का टाइम था जब मैं डिफरेंट गोल के लिए काम कर रही थी वो वेस्ट नहीं जाएगा. कुछ ना कुछ तो मैं सीखूंगी. सो आई फील लाइक वी शुड फोकस मोर ऑन डेली हैबिट्स देन हैविंग गोल्स. मतलब गोल रखो एक, बट ऐसे मतलब बना नहीं लो कि यही करना है, यू नो, पकड़ के मत रखो.
Makes sense.
Have vague goals is what I would say, because life is unpredictable, you never know. And apart from that, दो हो गए ना?
दो. Sorry for bringing you back to the business studies days of your commerce. 1, 2, 3 points.
Business studies में तो टॉप किया था मैंने, मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट था. हाँ, बस ऐसे क्या था, थियरी था ना, ऐसे पॉइंट्स लिखो.
Exactly.
Theory था. It was my favorite. Nice subject.
It was fun. Case studies.
I hated accounts. Accounts was the worst. I like eco also. Eco वाली टीचर अच्छी थी.
Interesting
तो
था.
मेरी को अच्छी थी. हाँ, काफी. क्या था, national income.
NPFC, NNPFC. All that.
Exactly.
Good stuff. Yeah.
That was fun. Yeah, ये दो हो गए. These are the ones that I've been following for a while. Also, not taking life too seriously. कुछ सैड होता है ना मेरी लाइफ में, तो आई फील लाइक इट्स ओके. मतलब अपसेट होके फायदा नहीं है. वापस ऐसे मतलब हाईज एंड लोज आते रहते हैं, अपसेट होके फायदा नहीं है. चिल. वैसे मेंटल स्टेट मतलब काम रहता है. ऑब्वियसली सैड भी होता है हम, वी आर ह्यूमंस, वी ऑल हैव आवर इश्यूज. बट इफ समथिंग इज गोइंग रॉन्ग, इट्स नॉट द एंड. ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा लैपटॉप बीच में खराब हो गया था and I was not able to post. You know everything.
I actually know, I'm not kidding, I know.
It's funny that you know.
Yeah.
But तो I was quite upset, but then I was like, हाँ ठीक है, YouTube चैनल नहीं चलेगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, मेरा चैनल डाउन हो जाएगा, लोग बोलेंगे कि हाँ रिया संभाल नहीं पाई अपना YouTube करियर. हाँ, तो हम कुछ और कर लेंगे, मास्टर्स कर लेंगे, अच्छी जॉब कर लेंगे. ऐसा है, मतलब ये नहीं हुआ तो कुछ और.
Proud parents.
हाँ?
Proud parents.
Proud
right,
parents.
I get it. Yeah.
No, like ठीक है, यूट्यूबर नहीं बनी, कुछ और. मतलब मेरा ऐसा नहीं है कि ओके सिर्फ यही करना है, if ये नहीं हुआ तो मैं मर जाऊंगी, you know. अगर ये नहीं चला तो
exactly.
मेरे पास अभी, मैं रूम में नहीं अपने, बट मैं भी दिखाती नहीं तो. But हाँ, how was that?
Right.
वही है, मतलब I think that's also in a way थोड़ा bad, because थोड़ा डटे रहना चाहिए, ज्यादा जल्दी गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए. So there is a balance that you need to see. But हाँ,
which exactly, I think is there in you.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Mhm.
So sweet.
Varna, you wouldn't be at 160k. Come on. Give yourself
वही
credit when due.
जैसे ना कि I think वही है कि this is the most basic shit that every entrepreneur says कि if something fails, try again.
Yeah.
तो you
Yeah.
should keep trying. मतलब
Correct.
वही failures आते रहेंगे. Have to accept it and move on.
Words of wisdom from Ria Gogoi. All right. Thank you so much for doing this podcast.
Thank you
काफी
for
fun,
inviting
candid,
me. Yeah.
natural. I hope you enjoyed your time.
भाई
Guys,
मैं कितना बेड पे पिलो पे लेट के बात कर रही हूँ.
अरे नहीं. That's the vibe of the podcast.
या सटल आर्ट के साइड में ऐसे रखा हुआ था.
हाँ, I'm
मतलब
actually
दिखाऊंगा
rereading
मैं.
it. I'm rereading it. So that's why it was in my mind.
I feel like सटल आर्ट लेकिन बहुत ही जेनेरिक चीजें लिखी है उसने. लाइक ऑलमोस्ट हर जितनी भी सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स मैंने पढ़ी है उसमें सेम चीजें ही लिखी रहती है, बस डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस.
I know वो ये होता है ऐसे
Exactly.
पूरी बुक को एक पॉइंट पे वो फैलाते रहते हैं with different examples and all that, but I still like reading it. I don't know why.
Subtle art is मतलब the language that he has used is more ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ता. So that's good, I think.
हाँ, उसको पढ़ के लगता है कि I already knew it, but कभी consciously उसके बारे में सोचा या लिखा नहीं उसको. Is what I would.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Well, guys, go follow Ria on Instagram. I've linked her Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Go and follow her. I hope you guys enjoyed the podcast. Ria, thank you so much for coming on the podcast.
Thank you for inviting me.